Would you agree that these two products taste similar?
Yes.
Very similar.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then do you think that we, as the Coke brand, would have a case against the Coke Zero brand? Because they've infringed upon our taste?
It's a novel theory.
What can we do inside or on this floor within the two brand teams within the company to really bring this to light and shut it down?
One of the things that I would do is consider possibly threatening these folks with a preliminary injunction.
How long would that take?
Well, we could write a threatening letter within a few hours.
Okay,
That's very good.
So
I want to do that.
We could do that.
Okay.
Is there anything that has happened recently that makes you this concerned?
My neighbor had a graduation party for his daughter, junior high graduation, and cooler was filled with that.
There is the possibility that consumers will start drinking that, thinking they're drinking that.
That's exactly
Okay, so-
that's exactly our point of bringing you in today. I'm glad you understand what our case is.
Let me ask you, what would your proposed end game be? What would your
That they were crushed
resolution of
and
this?
Ron, their director, was in the fetal position crying under the copier. Crying.
Da 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 da.